Okay, Carl, I got your 51 Chevy 3100 engine here on the dyno. Happens to be the 427 edition. It runs fantastic, and the motor does look gorgeous. Hey, I know you're going to appreciate this one when it's all done. When you get this bad boy in the car, it is going to be a beautiful runner. Wait for my air fuel. There we go. We're ready to fire. Good morning, everybody. Doug here, Proformance Unlimited. Showing off another piece. This thing came out gorgeous and runs great. Just got done making about 640 horsepower, about 580 foot-pounds of torque. This is one of our LS 427s. This one was custom painted. It's got valve covers that go over the coil packs, keep them hidden. And again, here at Proformance Unlimited, we build one engine at a time. If you're interested in any one of our products, give us a call. We'd be happy to put something together for you. Everybody, peace and God bless.